ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯦꯟꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯀꯦꯌꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯟꯀꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯀꯦꯌꯔ ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯏꯌꯔꯗ ꯀꯤꯗꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯟꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤटी ꯂꯦꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯐꯣꯔꯇꯤꯁꯀ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯇ꯭रीटमेंट तौरगा अखोई चटपगी भरा आदगी रेंट के भरा मैमदो हंदनब अखोई मणिपुर ट्रीटमेंट अखोई लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रीटमेंट मैम से लेरगदी फनी खंजबदगी सिगी वेंचर से हौजबने
सिगी वेंचर से कम कामबु लेदो प्रोजेक्ट से क्या
सिगी से अदुम कंटिन्यूस ओइना अदुम लेरगा सुम अखोई कुइना अदुम लेदोबु माले
किडनी की लेरिदना को अमु होंगा लाखो ना
किडनी की लेनी अदुगा हार्ट की सु डिफरेंट ब्रांच लागा
इवन कैंसर की सु
अदगी कैंसर दो कोई प्रोफेसर की एम्स की प्रोफेसर हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट में रमसु फोर्टिस द लाइब्रेरीना एनी टाइम दा कोई कम्युनिकेट तौरगा डिस्कस तौनिंग अगसु तुम फैसिलिटी तो तुम अवेलेबल होइबगी
प्रोजेक्ट से सही क्या होगा तुम सकते
कोई ना तुम जथरगा फोर्टिस रिवी है ना लागतोबो माले
मतमदी सुपर स्पेशलिटी की मागी ओपीडी की मतम से कमाइना पी
मतम से ओपीडी दगी कोई ना तुम पार्टनरशिप ता अदमाइना लागनबा वीक खुदिंगी नोमा गुम्बा वंस अ वीक अदमाइना मी पुल पुल पुंजलगा वंस अ वीक अदमाइना
हफ्ता हान क्रम निमित्त को मुझे तुम माले लेफ्ट
अदुम लेप्त्रे अदुगम रोस्टर सु मै डॉक्टर एबिलिटी की मतुंगिना रोस्टर दु पिरागा सिनो मेसिना फनी दो लेपदो एकदम मीडिया ता दम हाइजर के लेपका
our hospital is also very much aligned with we have a lot of nurses some of our best nurses in Fortis Hospital are from the state of Manipur. We are proud to have them there. Our dialysis team also has technicians from the state of Manipur. So it's been a very close relationship over the years, and today I think is a dream come true. We were always looking to partner here with the hospital so that we could expand our coverage and try and serve the people who cannot come all the way to Delhi. So today is one big step forward in that direction, and I think I would like to thank Dr. Vikramjit Singh for taking this initiative and partnering with us. And I'm sure in times to come, this relationship is going to be win-win for both of us, so that the people of this state most of the patients can receive local treatment. The ones who require advanced specialty treatment can come to Delhi. So on that note, I would like to thank you once again for that excellent hospitality, and look forward to continuing our journey and partnership with the people of Manipur. Thank you.
That photograph of the Ras Leela being shown there. Today we come here and we represent Fortis Healthcare to you. We are one of the largest healthcare groups in the country with about 28 hospitals. But when I say that, what I also want to explain to you is, when we build hospitals and we bring in the latest technology, we want to serve the maximum number of patients possible, and we want to extend our reach beyond the geographies of the areas where we operate. And therefore, when we looked at the love that Manipur people have showed us, the trust that Manipur people have showed us, Dr. Gulati just shared with you one of the largest centers for doing renal transplant. It made sense for us to partner with the hospital, Trevi Hospital, and look at how do we serve the people of Manipur. So we are here with you. We will be starting super specialty OPDs here, and not only will we extend renal sciences, urology, nephrology, renal transplant, but we will also be extending our services beyond that into the areas of orthopedics, gastroenterology, and GI surgery, also for all of you. I assure you our doctors will come regularly, we will attend our OPDs. Whatever can be managed here and whatever can be addressed here, we will want to provide the services here itself. And whatever requires better workup, whatever requires closer observation, we will advise you to travel to us. But when we say that, we also tell you that it will be easy for you to do your follow-ups here only because our doctors will be traveling here. So that's the assurance that we give you. And yes, we are very fond of our Northeastern nurses. They serve with a smile, one of the most humble and sympathetic, empathetic nurses, ever smiling, and we're very fond of them. Thank you.